Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, select Open. Now choose while using the app or only this time. Click on Allow and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Then click on Home button. Finally, you can go into Settings and scroll down to access Apps category. Then select Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner. And finally, click on Default Apps. Lastly, you need to select Launcher, tap on iOS one, and click on Home button. Then select Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my POCO. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you need to access the same settings and tap on POCO Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!